Hello ladies and gents, quick drive of the new BYD Dolphin here in Croatia. Let me just show you the cargo space, very spacious. So I won't talk about specs, this is just going to be a quick drive. I will get it for a test later, so there's another journalist on the front seat with me, so we're just going to return the car and you can enjoy the first drive.
Držite oči na cesti. Držite oči na cesti. Držite oči na cesti. Držite oči na cesti. Držite oči na cesti.
So just a quick comment, the eye monitor system is freaking out because of the camera.
Držite oči na cesti. Držite oči na cesti. Držite oči na cesti. Držite oči na cesti.
So guys, quick impressions, soft suspension, very comfortable, decent acceleration, good recuperation, not too aggressive, but doesn't fully stop when you release the brake. It starts going forward like the automatic, but good first impressions and really a nice drive. There's traffic, this is not my route, but just wanted to give you a little glimpse of the new Dolphin. I just realized we are in sport mode. So there are driving modes here. If I go to, there's Eco, Normal, and Sport. So let's see the normal now.
Držite oči na cesti. Držite oči na cesti.
Yeah, still very nice drive, but if you kick it into sport, it's even more fun.
Uočen je umor. Molimo vas da se odmorite. Molim te uzmi pauzu.
Pretty sure you can turn this off, but I won't bother with that this drive.
Držite oči na cesti.
So the acceleration is not too aggressive, but the acceleration is
Držite
really
oči na cesti.
decent for this. As you can see, already went over the speed limit.
Držite oči na cesti.
Yeah, big pillars are not a problem, but in some cases you should pay attention not to miss a car like most did.
Držite oči na cesti. Držite oči na cesti. Držite oči na cesti.
We'll wrap it here. I'm going to park it just to show you the cameras a little bit, because we're close to the point where we're turning the car, so the cameras are nice, sharp resolution. You can see the car 360 and bird eye view, so quite good. There's no park button. You just hold the brake, turn it off, and that's that. So stay tuned for more and for a full review once I get the car for a longer test drive. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.